In this little video, we're going to take a look into the WebFOCUS Tomcat SSL configuration. So let's check my configuration for my Tomcat application server for WebFOCUS. So currently you see it's not running in secure modus. I want to make sure it's configured for SSL, and you can find the documentation on how to configure it in the manual. So I'm going to link, I'm gonna get you a info on where to find the manual in the video description. But even if you already have WebFOCUS configured for SSL, and you might have it configured for a long period of time, there were some changes in Tomcat or actually in security that required to review your security settings in Tomcat. So actually in here, I already opened up my server XML. So if you want to look at that folder, so we can go in here. So let me copy the file path to clipboard. Let's take a look into the folder. So it's in the Tomcat conf folder. There's my server XML. That's the file we're working in. And as you see, my system is already configured properly for SSL. But there's a few things that are important that you want to check. So first thing, you might want to check that max thread in here to be set to a number that is high enough to work with. That's another thing that might be missing in your configuration. Depending on your WebFOCUS configuration, you might want to set the code page for Tomcat on port 443 as well. So that one is set to URIEncoding with that value. Again, I'm going to post the information that plug into the video description. In here, I'm using secure to enable SSL. So it's enabled, it's secure true. And I'm using my keystoreFile in here. That's one that I created at a self-signed. So if you want to learn about creating a self-signed certificate, check out documentation for Apache. So that's going to be quite easy. It's a keystoreType. It's the keystore password. And there's a few things that are really important to secure Tomcat. So if you're looking at an older version for configuration, you might miss that line here. So you might want to have SSL-enabled protocol, and you might want to enable it for specifically that version. So let me zoom in a little bit. So it's TLS version 1.2. Without that settings, you're going to always have version 1.0 and 1.1 active, which is going to be a security issue. So you might want to set the server to only accept more modern TLS protocols in here. So set that one. Second thing, without any setting, Tomcat might use insecure ways of exchanging the key with the client. So you might want to link those ways of exchanging keys. So again, in here, I'm going to have it put in the description, but make sure you limit the way that those information is going to be provided. So if you want to learn more, actually, it's going to be easy. Just look into the documentation. There's going to be a lot of websites getting you information on configuring the supported information here for key exchange. So again, make sure to change those two settings. So change your enabled protocol, change those settings. Without those settings, your configuration of SSL in Tomcat for WebFOCUS is not going to be secure. So again, change that one, change that one. Having that done, you can go back to your Tomcat installation. It's going to be in here. So there's my Tomcat file. Let's open it up. I have changed those settings. I'm going to stop. I'm going to start. So I'm restarting my Tomcat right now. So having done so, we can go back to my system. So in here, we're now going to use SSL. So I'm going to go for that one. Get rid of this one. Open up the configuration. Okay, not there yet. Let me see. So it's HTTP. Oh, it's HTTPS, of course. So that's the address. Let's try to get there. Sometimes it takes a short moment to restart your Tomcat. So Tomcat is back now. So in here we can see connection is secure. Certificate is valid. And we can see how we connected to the server. So again, keep in mind, make those changes to your configuration. So check your server XML configuration of Tomcat for SSL configuration and make sure to update your Tomcat to the recent settings here. So you're going to be sure that it's going to be in a secure environment. And you got a secure configuration of your Tomcat system, because otherwise you might be open to some security vulnerabilities that you don't want to run into.